So people say, oh, it must be great to be mobile and you get to work on different stuff and you stay clean and you get in, you get out. Oh, this is, I don't even know what year this is. This is what I get called in for. This is a 2004 Ford F250 that I believe doesn't run. This is the third time I come out here. I asked the gentleman I came out the last time, battery's dead. Can you make sure the battery's charged up? Put some air in the tires in case I got to move it. Yeah, no problem. I came here the first time. There's no keys. They can't find the keys. I left. They found the keys. I asked them, okay, can you just make sure the battery's charged? Then air in the tires. I came back. Battery's dead. I'm nowhere near an outlet. The nearest outlet is way over there. So now he begged me, please come back a third time. Please check this truck out. It's been sitting here forever. And this is what I walk into. The smell of frustration. I got a box that's hanging. I have what looks like part of another box. It looks like I got a new computer. That don't look new. Tons of homemade wiring. I got first thing I always do, give this a pull. Look, loose. Not only didn't charge it, they didn't even tighten the cables up. I can't even get in the driver's side. I have no idea what's going on here or here. But this is a mess. And this is where you have to make the decision. Do I even want to get involved? Or do I just walk away? So, unfortunately, this is what, I don't even know what that is. That's some kind of extra wire going somewhere over there. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I may walk away. I'll let you know. But this is what we have to deal with sometimes. I can't even get in the driver's side. Okay. Just want to give you an idea of what you're up against sometimes. It's not always sunshine and rainbows. Heck, it's not even sunshine today.